So here's a brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max. I'm trying to unbox over here. So it's black titanium version. I'm using currently iPhone 16 Pro normal size, but because of the battery and the screen size, I wanted to try this huge iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's try and remove the seal. Here you go. Now let's see what's inside the box. Hopefully iPhone 16 Pro Max. Okay. Here you go. You see the titanium black. Let's remove this sticker. There's always a good feeling like whenever you remove this sticker from the screen. It's always a good feeling to have a new phone. Let's turn it on. The build quality, everything is exactly same as iPhone 16 Pro. Just the size is difference. This is what I can see. Here you go. Let's get it started. I'll set up this phone, and yeah, same camera setup at the back. It's a very lightweight because of the titanium build. Oops, what's this? Okay, I'll set this up later. Let's see the standard stuff in the box, the cable and the pin. That's it. Nothing else. Same old style but good stuff.